Hi, my name is Frank Ho. I'm the founder of Ho Math Chess Learning Center based in Vancouver, Canada. I founded the Ho Math and Chess because my son was interested in chess. At that time, I could not find any worksheets which combine math and chess, so I started to research. After 20 years of extensive research and my own teaching experience, I created over 30 math and chess integrated workbooks, including computation, math contest, and math IQ. I also invented a flat chess set. As you can see on this book which I created, it's called Introduction to Ho Math Chess, and its founder Frank Ho. And this cover picture is a chess set I created. I wrote this workbook because many people were wondering about how I actually created these worksheets, and they are very fun, intriguing, and sometimes it's hard to understand. So I collect all my worksheets and try to analyze myself and classify into 16 categories. When I first created these worksheets many years ago, I didn't have any blueprint or path to follow. But as time goes on, I gain more experience, and after I research, and slowly I created many different kinds of worksheets. If you read this book, you'll find out how I created these worksheets and the background story, how I founded this learning center and how fun it is. I also created the world's first workbook which combines the idea of using game and math onto a one worksheet instead of teaching chess or play chess in a math class. So hopefully after my presentation you understand better about my teaching method and also my worksheet. The first worksheet I like to present is a math, chess, and the Sudoku combined worksheets. Hopefully that you understand how they are put together and how unique it is. Let's look at these worksheets. If you look at it first, you'll find out there's no questions. So when students look at these worksheets, of course they will not understand it. But the whole math and chess integrated worksheets has a philosophy, has a methodology. So if you look at the first one, the first diagram on the top left, first one, this is a mini chess set, and we have to position the chess piece on the chess set. You are at E2, and this is 2 by 2. So this is a chess piece. You are on a mini chess set 3 by 3, and you are in the center, which is E2. And E2 is a 2 by 2 square. Now look at the bottom here. This is 2 by 2, and the top left is shaded. So find out the corresponding number in the mini chess set top left, which is 4. So I'll write 4 here, plus this is a rook. Rook moves up and down, left and right. So when the chess piece is positioned on E2 and the chess piece is given the instruction to move up, so when you move, follow this chess move, rook move. When you move up, you see B3. So B3, there's no B3 here, so the student has to go to the right hand side diagram, and this is 3 by 3 Sudoku. B 3. So I have worked out this answer for the Sudoku already, but obviously when the question is presented to the student will not be able to see all the answers. Only they will see 1 and 3 being written on the Sudoku. So 1 and 3, you cannot put a 1 here, you cannot put a 3 here, so you have to put a 2 here. 2, 1, you get a 3, 2, 3, you get a 1. So students are able to figure out all the answers for all the blank squares. So once the student fill out this blank squares, they are able to find out the answer. B3. B3 is 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So as you can see here, this worksheet teaches students the coordinates, correspondence, table links, the relationship, visualization, and also links chess moves with a puzzle. And students would have to follow the command of chess language, which is in chess moves, and work out the problems. There are no problems. Students have to spend time to work out a puzzle. After work out a puzzle, students will find out the problems, which, for example, the first one is 4 plus 3. Then student will know the answer is 7. So you can see here, I have worked out the answers. 4 plus 3 is 7, 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 2 is 4, 1 plus 3 is 4, okay, so on and so forth. So basically, they're just one digit addition. Now, how do you make a 2 one-digit addition to be fun and interesting to the students? This is a table example which I created. I think it's fun, and in fact, when I present this one to the students, they feel it's much fun. It's much fun than just doing mundane. 4 plus 3 is 7, 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 2 is 4, right? So it's boring that way. Student following the symbols and the abstract symbols to find out the questions. Then from questions, they found out answers. Okay, for example, we'll jump to the question 3 here. This question 3 is the left at the bottom. Square is shaded. So student will have to find out corresponding number on the mini chessboard, which is 2. So student will write a 2 here. Then this is a bishop move. Go to diagonal. The right hand side up diagonal. So student will move to C3. The chess piece will move to C3. Then student will look at the Sudoku board. C3 is Sudoku table, or you can see C3 is 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Alright, so hopefully this have give you some idea, and I'll answer the question about the vertical format or horizontal format. As you can see, the chess and the math combined worksheets here, the direction is not traditionally presented to the students, where when you do computation, you do top down or left to right. But in fact, when we do math in arithmetic, we don't really always do top down or left to right, because when we work backward, we do right to left. When we do cross multiplication, we do diagonally, right? When we do LCD of fraction, we look at the bottom first, and then we find our answer for the top, and we from bottom to the top. So hopefully I answer the question about people confused about my formatting and left and right and top and down diagonal. My worksheets, by and large, if I don't do the presentation, if I don't train you, if you just study on your own, you'll get a little bit confused. That's for sure, because this is new invention, new idea, new creation, and no one has created. I am the first one created this kind of worksheets. I also predict in the future Maybe you don't see that many. In the future, this will be at least one direction what we as a math educator can do for the students. That is create worksheets which students not only have to do computations, but they also have to use your brain to figure out the how to do the computation. I also created another type of computation worksheets which I call intelligent computation, and I don't see this type of worksheets on the market yet, and I will present in my next presentation. Thank you.